Hello everyone, this is Emily from Sail Rigging. Welcome to our online show. iBoat can be used as a connection point for rigging, anchoring, pulling, pushing, or hosting applications. Although iBoats are commonly used in industrial applications, they are also commonly misunderstood or used incorrectly. Now you will find the picture that our factory can make. They have different types. For example, we can make DIN 580. This is iBoat. This is iNut. It's Germany type, means DIN 582. And this is GIS type. You can see this is iBoat, iNut, and we can make US type, and the type is G400, and this is US type. This is BS type. That's all. Bye.